Welcome back to another installment of Here's the Deal. Police in America. And just in case you didn't catch it, that's an eye roll. An official eye roll of disgust over the oppressive actions of oath-breaking tyrants.
Step out.
I haven't broke any laws. I'm not under arrest.
I can ask anybody step out on any traffic stop.
This is unlawful. What did you even stop me for?
Your registration light's out.
Am I under arrest?
You're not under arrest. What's going on today?
Nothing's under. I'm trying to deliver my food here.
I understand. I'm trying to work with you, buddy. I'm trying to work.
You're trying to work with me. I'm delivering food. You pulled me over for no reason.
We do not want to take you out of this car. Okay? I do not want to arrest you tonight.
I'm not giving you permission to search my car.
I don't need permission.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't.
Yes.
I'm going to search the vehicle. Okay? Am I going to find anything? Because I'm trying to work with you. I'm about to lose my patience, okay?
I'm trying to work with you while I harass you, gosh darn it. And if you don't bow down and lick my boots, I'm gonna lose my patience with you, boy. That's something these cops would never say if they didn't have that uniform on and couldn't hide behind all that authority. Where exactly did we turn the corner here in America? When did Americans in the alleged land of the free, home of the brave start accepting routine traffic stops as immoral justifications to violate our unalienable rights? They are still unalienable, aren't they? Well, then maybe we should start acting like it. And if they are unalienable, meaning nobody gave them to you and nobody can take them away from you, then why do cops feel such liberty to use the crowbar of their own pignorance to pry them away from us? Case in point, this guy's just trying to deliver food to a neighborhood so he can support his family, when he's pulled over by the blue shirts of the Charleston Police Department.
I've been pulled over for I don't know what reason. He hasn't told me yet, but we'll figure it out.
Hey, go ahead and step out for me, brother.
For what?
Because I'm asking you to.
I didn't break any laws. I didn't break any laws.
I understand that, and I'm recording you too, but I'm asking you to step out. Step out.
I haven't broke any laws. I'm not under arrest.
I can ask anybody step out on any traffic stop.
Can this really be true after the cop just acknowledged that the man behind the wheel hasn't broken any laws? This is another example where traffic law, specifically Pennsylvania versus Mims, violates a person's right to be secure in his person and effect. And what's their justification for this violation? Officer safety. So according to cops and the courts, officer safety trumps unalienable rights. Does that even make any sense? Why do we even have the Fourth Amendment?
No, you can't. No, you cannot. I didn't break any law.
I'm asking you to step out.
I'm going to call my attorney.
Okay.
This is unlawful. What did you even stop me for?
Your registration light's out. You have a registration light out. So, partner, go ahead and step out for me.
Am I under arrest?
You're not under
What's
arrest.
going on today?
Nothing's under. I'm trying to deliver my food here.
I understand.
Okay. So
I've got a lawsuit against the state police right now, and this is gonna be documented. I'm just letting you know.
It's documented right here too.
Okay. Well, they
So
didn't
listen to
document
me,
when they
man.
beat me.
He made a lawful traffic stop on you because you got a registration light out.
And I'm just asking you to step out so I can talk to you.
To conduct his investigation.
I'm not getting out of the car. I didn't do
stop,
nothing wrong.
You have to exit the vehicle when he's giving you a lawful order. So if you come out of the vehicle,
If you arrest me, then if I'm under arrest, then I have to get out. But if I'm not under arrest, I'm not getting out of the car.
Listen, but if you refuse to get out and we have to pull you out, then you will get arrested.
You can't pull me out of the car if I'm not arrested.
We can't because I'm asking you to on a listen, man.
See all these
I'm trying to
videos
work
all
with
the
you,
time.
buddy. I'm trying to work.
You're trying to work with me. I'm delivering
I
food. You
understand that.
pulled me
I
over for
understand.
no
Listen,
reason.
If
I
you
didn't
come
know.
step back here with us, give us your information.
He already gave me his information.
I gave him everything y'all need. What else do you need?
Let me just talk to you.
Okay, talk to me.
All right, talk to me back here.
Why?
Because I asked you to, buddy. We do not want to take you out of this car. Okay? I do not want to arrest you tonight.
These guys love using their authority to make you comply. They love giving you directives. They thrill at getting your ID. And they especially love putting their hands on you. It's truly a sickness.
You have no reason to arrest me. I have done nothing wrong.
If you don't get out of the vehicle,
Get out of the car, it's obstruction, just an obstruction charge that will be filed against you, or resisting arrest if you fight us. So we do not want to do that.
Okay, I already know the ropes of all you guys, what you guys do.
You have any weapons on you, buddy?
No, I don't.
Okay, I'm gonna pat you down real quick, all right?
He's gonna patch down for her safety. That's it.
This is a joke, man.
It's
I'm
not
sitting here trying to do my job.
We understand.
What's that in your pocket? Is that just a blowtorch? Don't reach for it.
I mean, I don't know what it is, man.
You care if I get in your pocket and get it out?
So, you want to be a cop? Yes, sir, I do. Why do you want to be a cop? I want to put my hands all over people and reach into their pockets. Well, buddy, you're hired. Hot diggity dog.
What? No. What do you got your hands on me for?
Because I'm patting you down. It's called a Terry frisk. We're allowed to do that.
You're only allowed to do that
All
if
right.
you
Hey,
let's come
back
somebody.
here.
You're not
Nope.
arresting me.
Come back here.
You can only go.
I mean, this is a joke,
Sit
man.
right here so I can talk to you.
This is why people don't like the cops. You guys are harassing me
All right,
because
man.
I was in the ghetto delivering food. I knew it when I seen you. I knew it. I had told myself he's going to pull me over, for delivering
The reason
food.
I'm getting you out is, like I said, I'm smelling a strong presence of marijuana. in the
You
car.
guys say that every time you pull somebody over. You're not gonna. I'm not giving you permission to search my car.
I don't need permission.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't.
Yes.
Not if you smell it.
Not if I
You
smell
guys cannot search someone's car saying that you
Okay.
smell marijuana.
it. I can. Okay.
Well, I'm telling
And-
you
and I'm-
right
and-
now
and
that
I'm
you
going-
have
and-
no legal basis to search my car.
I'm going to search your vehicle, okay? And you're going to stay right here with my buddy while I search your vehicle,
This is a joke.
okay?
This
Am I going to find anything? Because I'm trying to work with you. I'm about to lose my patience, okay?
I'm going through your property whether you like it or not, boy. I'm trying to work with you, and your refusal to submit to me like a dog is making me lose my patience. You will respect my authority. Tell you what, if you don't think this is a mental illness, I want to hear your thoughts in the comments below.
You are?
Yeah,
What's your
I am.
badge number?
So, we don't have badge numbers. Stay here
What's
with my
your
buddy.
name?
All right? Stay with my buddy.
This is harassment.
There's no harassment going on here, sir.
Yes, this is definitely harassment.
He made a lawful traffic stop.
He didn't make a lawful traffic. I break no law.
Registration light out, right? Registration light
I
out.
broke no
Can't see your
laws
license
here.
plate from a distance.
So every
That
time
gives
you
you-
guys stop
that gives
somebody,
you
you're gonna
probable
say you
cause to
smell
stop somebody.
marijuana.
We walked up to the driver's side door, smelled marijuana. That gives us probable cause to search the vehicle. If we don't find anything, he may cut you a ticket. He may just let you go for nothing if we don't find it. Okay? There's no harassment going on here. I'm sorry you got a bad experience with police officers.
I've had a lot of bad experiences with police. I can't stand them.
I understand that. But that's not us.
You guys are harassing me for delivering food to the ghetto.
Absolutely not.
Yep, absolutely.
You're the one that's labeling as a ghetto.
That up there is the ghetto.
You're the one that's like that label.
Well, what would you call it?
It's City Park. It's been sunset.
Why you guys always patrol it?
We don't. We run up there when we get 911 calls. You're the one that called it the ghetto. It's called Renaissance Park Vista-View Apartments. There's our supervisor if you'd like to speak with him.
It's what?
Our supervisor if you'd like to speak with him.
This is unlawful. What's your badge number?
You'll have that.
What's your name?
Sergeant Van Horn.
Sergeant Van Horn? He pulled me over for no reason. He said he smelled marijuana. I told him I didn't. I gave him no permission to search my car. He's searching it anyhow. This is unlawful. This is harassment, and I will be reporting you. I already have an issue with the state police. I'm going to trial in November, and this is going to go. I'm going to sue you now. This is crazy. This is unlawful. You're teaching your officers to harass people.
City Hall, 501 Virginia Street East.
I'll be there. I'll be there.
348-6400.
What's your name?
Officer Elkins.
Officer Elkins.
Yes, sir. You got enough storage on that phone for that? It's on video. We got it all right here.
I know, oh, I know, but you guys, when you beat somebody, you seem not to find that on video.
No.
You can't find it.
Never seen that.
I'm
State
sure-
police, they didn't have cameras for a while, but everybody knows.
I know they don't. They have cameras when they need them, but whenever they go against them, they don't have
Well,
cameras.
even the sheriff's office, they're getting cameras now too. We've had cameras for 5-6 years now. Like I said, they don't find anything. He may catch a ticket, he may not.
I'm not worried about a ticket.
Out of here with nothing.
I'm worried about my job. I'm sitting here I'm doing my job, and he's pulling me over, harassing me. I mean, he's not harassing me. You don't call for this harassment? Oh, this is not
We're
harassment.
called law enforcement.
Oh yeah, law enforcement.
By
You guys,
law, that light has
you
to
guys
be,
really
that
enforce
license
the
plate
law.
has to be visible, so we can stop it.
You can stop and just say you smell something and just start searching. Boy, you guys are tough.
I can go up. I smell the food in there, but I can't search because I smell the food. I smell weed. Smell weed, smell drugs, paraphernalia, anything. You can have probable cause to search a vehicle. It's not harassment. It's just us doing our job.
Yeah, you don't have probable cause. Where was the probable cause? Because you say you smelled something?
It's not saying.
Because you say you smelled something.
It's not
That
saying.
gives you the right, because you're the cops, right?
No,
you guys are above the law.
Sworn oath to never lie.
Yeah, and you guys never do.
Yeah, there's crooked cops out
Yes,
there.
you're damn right. There's crooked cops. There's a lot of
There
them.
absolutely is.
There's a lot of them.
Absolutely.
That's why cops are not very liked. Because of things like this, man. Harassing somebody.
Oh, buddy.
It's not
I already found a
harassment.
little bit of marijuana.
What did you do? Plant that?
Is that all you had?
Is that what you planted? Is that what you planted on me? Just a little bit of weed?
Give him an attitude. He can take you to jail, or he can cut you with a
Well, I mean, he's gonna do what he's gonna do, man. I'm not gonna beg him to do nothing. Believe me.
No, it's not
You
what.
can do whatever you want to
It's
do.
our choice whether we want to charge or
You
not.
can. You guys want to plant weed on me and stuff, and that's fine.
Man, absolutely nothing for that. Nobody's in the wrong, man. It's probably not even a car, is it?
It's my wife's, actually. I have 4 kids, actually. Yeah. I take care of 4 kids, and I don't like getting harassed. Yeah, they're mine. They're mine. I'm a good father, actually. Yeah. You probably don't have any responsibility.
Hey, buddy, go ahead and have a seat back inside. I'm gonna cut your citation and get you out of here.
People gave their lives thinking they were going to keep this kind of harassment and tyranny from invading America. Don't you think it's about time to put a stop to this? This video comes from the Tyrant Hydrant. I'll leave his link in the description for you. If you visit him, let him know Here's the Deal sent you. If you like this video, maybe you'll like some of my others. Check out the playlist, especially the most popular videos list. Surely there's videos on there that you haven't seen yet. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell notification icon, give it a thumbs up, share it with everybody you know, and don't forget to subscribe to my private email list through my website, highimpactflix.com. If you want to support the channel further, grab a hard-hitting conversation-starting shirt from the store. You can put on a shirt, hoodie, any design on a shirt, hoodie, mug, cell phone case, whatever you want. And you can also become a channel member. Remember, freedom is dangerous. The only thing more dangerous is not having it. I'll see you in the next video.